All right, so I travel probably way too much, 80 to 90 nights a year in a hotel. So I try to do things efficiently. I try to be organized. And if you are anything like me, when you're coming back from a trip, your luggage is always extra full, right? Your dirty clothes is not quite as compact as it is, crammed into a dirty clothes bag as it was when you packed it nice and neat. So I actually came up with this idea a couple of years ago, and I was rocking this for a while. I found a storage vacuum seal bag off of Amazon, and this little vacuum seal pump thing. And basically, I put all my dirty clothes in this giant bag when I was done with it at the end of the trip. And then I hooked this thing up and I just compress it to keep it nice and that's noisy, nice and compact for packing reasons, but also keep the smell for dirty, sweaty gym clothes and whatever, depending how long the trip was. Keeping that from getting my luggage and everywhere else. So this was actually a pretty cool idea. I was pretty proud of it, and it worked really well. And then this company, and I don't know if they're the first one because I saw some kind of knockoffs on Amazon, but this company, Ekster, actually this is still packed from the trip I just got back from, ran across this company who not only makes a much nicer bag, it's much more suited for the task, pardon the pun, as far as the size and the form factor. It actually also has a cordless pump. That actually works really, really well. So I've been using this thing now for about 6 months. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money, and I've actually been really happy with it. You can see, how much it compacts it. It's got a watertight zipper, obviously, because it's a vacuum pack bag, and it works really well. So I've been using it for a while. Like I said, dirty clothes goes in there at the end of the trip, seal it down, pack it in the luggage, and I'm gone. So I'll work on getting an affiliate link from Ekster. If not, I'll just pop a regular link in the description below. I do like the product. I've got a couple of their other products, so Ekster, hit me up. But I will share just like everything else that I find I think is cool. I'll share it with you guys. So thanks for watching.